The worst thing about SEO is that there's so much bad information out there. And the problem is that if you read some of these blogs, if you read some of these articles or watch the videos on SEO that are openly available on YouTube, some of the information is so wrong, I literally couldn't make it up. The issue is that so many cowboys can come along with no experience with SEO, with never ranking a website before, and then publish an article or a blog on SEO that literally contains so much bad information. And the problem is, for you as a website owner, is that you could spend months running around in circles, not getting the rankings that you need, and wasting thousands of dollars implementing the wrong actions when it comes to SEO. So in this video, I'm going to debunk the top 5 SEO myths that I've learned from helping hundreds of clients increase their rankings and get more traffic with search engine optimization. By the way, before we jump in, please make sure you subscribe if you want more SEO videos that are going to help you make more money with your website, increase your traffic, and outrank your competitors. So SEO myth number 1 is that links don't matter. Okay, this is so wrong. When it comes to ranking your website, you need backlinks. It's crucial as a ranking factor. In fact, it's the only way Google can externally validate that your content is actually good. If no one builds backlinks to your site, then Google doesn't really know, okay, is that content authoritative? Is it credible? Why is no one linking out to it? Is it not good information? So you really have to build backlinks, and especially links that are high quality and authoritative. The thing is, when it comes to ranking on Google, there's over 200 factors. But Google have themselves revealed that link building is in the top 3 of those factors. It's crucial for your site. In fact, Ahrefs actually did a case study of over 1 billion websites, and they found that 90% of websites don't get any traffic. No one sees their content. It's pretty much wasted. And why is that? Well, the number 1 reason is that they don't have any backlinks. This is crucial for your site. And you know, time and time again, if you check out my other videos, my other case studies, you can see that as soon as we started building backlinks to our clients' websites, the traffic started increasing. They started getting results with SEO. And this is the most powerful way to get results with search engine optimization. Next up, link building myth number 2 is that SEO is a one-time activity. The truth is that you really need to be consistent every single month with SEO. It doesn't really stop. It's like any other marketing channel. If you were publishing on YouTube, you wouldn't just publish a few videos, throw them out there, and then forget about it and, you know, set it and forget it. The truth is that you have to be consistent and patient when it comes to SEO. You have to put those actions into place every single month. So, you know, SEO is never a one-time activity. And the thing is as well, that if it was easy, everyone would do it. And that's not the case. This is like almost any other marketing channel. You know, the algorithms always reward consistency. If you look at YouTube, if you look at Facebook ads, if you look at any other marketing channel, even LinkedIn, for example, you have to be consistent with publishing content, with promoting new content, with engaging your audience. And if you don't do that, you won't see results. It's exactly the same with search engine optimization. If you're building backlinks, if you're creating quality content every month, you will eventually see results. And it takes time for Google to recognize and reward that sort of action. But this is good because, first of all, you'll keep improving every month. Second, you'll keep learning more as you go along. And third, this isn't easy. It's not easy to be consistent. In fact, most people give up. So this is a competitive advantage because if you keep going with SEO, if you're consistent with it, the chances are most of your competitors won't be. And eventually you'll outrank them. SEO myth number 3 is that SEO is too hard. It's just too damn difficult for your business to do, especially if you're a one-man band or you have a small team, maybe you're a small business, you don't have many resources, and therefore SEO isn't something that you should go after. Well, the truth is the complete opposite, okay? SEO is actually pretty damn easy. It's pretty much the same formula every single time. When it comes to ranking your website on Google, you just need to keep publishing high quality content that targets the right keywords and also building authoritative, credible backlinks to your website. And if you do those 2 things, you'll get 80% of the results with 20% of the work. And sure, there's 200 ranking factors when it comes to Google, right? There's a lot of things you could waste your time and distract yourself with. If you don't have the resources, if you don't have the team in place, then just focus on quality content, targeting keywords, build some backlinks, and you will see really good results with SEO. It's the same formula repeated. Like I say, I've worked with hundreds of clients at my link building agency, and we tend to find, even across different industries, even across all those businesses being unique, SEO is the same formula each time. You just follow the process, you repeat the system, you're consistent with it, you put in the action, and you see results. And if you don't believe me, check out some of the case studies, you know, where we've taken websites from like 0 to over 150,000 visitors per month. That wasn't rocket science. I'm definitely not a genius. is. It just requires consistent action over time. You know, when our clients are publishing high quality content, when they're getting credible links, for example, some of our clients get links from like Forbes.com, it's just a matter of time before you see results, before Google rewards you for doing those sort of things. Now, link building myth number 4 is that content is king, that content is all that really matters when it comes to SEO. And if you publish the best content, if you publish mind-blowingly amazing content, you're going to rank number 1 on Google. Truth is, that's not actually the case. And this is kind of controversial because, you know, at one point, a lot of websites were just publishing 5,000, 7,000 words, writing huge essays to try and outrank their competitors. And that worked for a little bit. But nowadays, Google's algorithm knows that the longest content isn't necessarily the best. Just because you write a ton of words, because you've spent hours and hours writing a piece of content, doesn't mean it should necessarily rank. The truth is that Google really doesn't care about content length. It cares about its users. It cares about answering their problems and providing the best search engine experience for the people that come to google.com. So if you can do that, if you can answer a user's problem concisely, if you can answer it quickly, then chances are you're going to outrank the people who are writing crazy amounts of content. I mean, for example, right? If someone's just looking for the best cat food for their kitten, they don't want like a 12,000 word article on the best products. They just want to see a quick list, a quick product table they can click on and find the best product for them. And that's really what writing content is about. It's about answering the user's problem quickly, concisely, getting straight to the point, and providing a good experience along the way. Now, here's a few other reasons why content isn't king. So if you're targeting the wrong keywords, if you're going after the wrong keywords, you won't rank. If you go after keywords that nobody's typing in on Google, you won't rank. If you go after keywords that nobody's clicking on, then chances are you won't rank. And also, if you're not building backlinks to your content, no matter how damn good it is, you're not going to rank on Google. You're just wasting your time, because if you don't build backlinks, your competitors will. And because that's such an important ranking factor, boom, it's over. They're going to outrank you. So make sure that, yeah, you do publish amazing content, but that you're also focusing on the other elements of SEO, like I've mentioned before. And it's just a simple, easy formula that you can follow and repeat every single time. And my final myth busted for SEO is that SEO agencies cannot guarantee you results when it comes to SEO. No one can call up Google, pick up the blower and say, hey, I've got this new client, Google, would you mind just ranking them number 1 on Google, please? Because, they seem like top blokes, and because we have some inside contacts, we can rank you number 1. Nah, it's not gonna happen. You can't rank. No one can guarantee you number 1 rankings. There's just too many factors outside of our control. And anyone who does is kind of misleading you. It's probably lying to you. Now, the biggest issue that I see is that a lot of clients, especially small businesses, they want guaranteed results. They have limited resources, limited budget. They don't want to spend too much on SEO. And therefore, when they sign up with an agency, they say, can you guarantee me the number 1 spot on Google? And if you can't guarantee it, I'm not signing up with you. Now, the problem is that any reputable, trustworthy, and credible SEO agency won't guarantee you rankings, won't say I can rank you number 1 for sure. It's just not possible. I mean, this is why at my link building agency, we always speak to clients before we get them signed up, before we take them on, because maybe SEO isn't the right strategy for them. Maybe SEO will not work for them because it's too competitive. Or maybe the client just isn't the right fit. Whatever the case is, as an agency, we never guarantee that number 1 spot. It's just not possible. I wish it was, genuinely, because that would help me a lot in business, and I wish I could guarantee that spot, but just not possible. It takes time, it takes consistency, it takes patience with SEO, and sometimes you just have to roll the dice. You have to do everything that you can control, be stoic about things, and anything outside of your control, like competition, like Google algorithm updates, come along and you just do the best you can. So you can optimize every single thing, but some factors are outside of your control. It's the same with YouTube, for me, it's the same with like YouTube or any other marketing channel. You do the best you can. There's factors outside of your control, and then you see what happens. You just roll the dice, you do everything you need to, and then you leave it at that. So thanks for watching, guys. That's my top 5 SEO myths debunked. You now know what's wrong information, how to overcome that, what the challenges of it are, and what you can do about these myths to make sure that you actually get better results with SEO. And this will save you a lot of time along the way, a lot of resources, and hopefully get you better results with SEO too. So thanks for watching. By the way, I do run a link building agency. That's at juliangoldie.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. And if you want to book in a 30-minute consultation where we'll give you a tried, tested, and proven link building strategy that's designed to increase your rankings, that's worked for hundreds of clients of ours, then make sure you book in a free call. That's at juliangoldie.com. Takes 10 seconds, and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.